welcome back to my channel. I'm ET. So today's video I'm gonna be doing a review on this product right here. So this is the Neutrogena Light Therapy Acne Spot Treatment Machine, and this claims to help you cure your pimple faster for the breakout. So I personally do not have much of a pimple right now because I've been taking care of my face really good the past few years. But I remember 4 years ago I was one of that girl that was going through all the acne products and face wash trying to get rid of my acne on my face. But in the recent years I have found something that really suits me, and it really helped me calm my pimple down a lot. So right now you can see I have like a really, I don't have much of the pimple anymore, but I have breakouts like once in a while during my time of the month. So when I see this product online, I really want to try it out for myself because as I mentioned, that I do break out once a month during my time of the month. So this one will be a great thing to try out for me because I still want to cure for my pimple during that time. So today I'm gonna be doing a full reviews on this one to see if it works or not. So for those of you who out there who's trying to look for a product that help you care for your acne, you can use this video as a reference to see if you want to try this product out or not. But other than that, I bought this one in Target. It is really affordable, so I really want to try it out. So without further ado, let's begin. This is how the outer box look like, and when you open it up, it's just have this really simple and easy to carry around stick. This has the on button right here, and then when you press it on, the light will turn on. So I'm gonna press on for you guys to see how it look like. So you can see that it's shining the red and blue lights on the skins, and then you just have to target it at your pimple, and then when it's 2 minutes up, it will turn off by itself instantly, so you will know when to press it again or when to, like, you know, restart the second round again. So I personally use this not much time because I didn't have much pimple growing up, but this time I did have two type of pimple that grows out on my skin during my time of the month. One is the one that's growing underneath my skin, which is the one that's shown on the picture right here, and then the other one is kind of developed already. So what I do is that every night when I clean my face, I'll use this one 3 times straight. So I would just aim it on my face, and I'll just sit there, watch TVs, and use it for like 3 times straight. So once it go off, I'll press it on again. Once it go off, I'll press it on again. So it will just go through it 3 times a day. So it's really simple and easy to use. So for the first pimple, which is the one I have on my chin right now, is completely gone. You can see I didn't have much of a foundation on, so right now you can see that I don't have any mark leaving behind, and you can see there's a little one on my forehead. So the one that's next to my eyebrows is the one that's already developed, and then the one that's on my chin is the one that's growing like a pictures. So for the chin one, I've been using it for 2 nights, and I can see the results really fast because it died down like the next day. It died down a lot the next day, and I didn't feel any pain anymore. It's just that there's like a red dot still. So I used it more, and then like on the 3rd day it was completely gone already. So I was really surprised by what this one actually works. But however, for the one next to my eyebrow, it didn't work as much because that one is already developed. So I think for those that's already developed, it wouldn't help as much because it's say help treat breakout fast. So once you already break out, so you can't do nothing about it anymore. So that's why I think it is, because I used this one for like 4 or 5 days already and it did not work at all. So I just end up like, don't pop your pimple, but I did. But it really works on the one that's growing on the skin. So that's all it matters, right? The one that's growing underneath the skin is the worst one, and this one will actually work. So I'm really surprised and amazed by this product because it's really small and really simple to use, and it will cure your pimple really fast. However, there is a con about this product because I don't know if it's a defect or like overheating or like the battery's dying or anything, because once I started to use it on 3rd night, when I start like pressing on it for use it more than like 2 times, it will stop me from using it. So if you have a lot of pimple that you need to cure and then you have to go from like spot to spot, it will stop you, because once you go on the second time, it will be like, it won't let you press on anymore. So when you press on, it will give you like, it turns off instantly. So I'm not sure if the battery dies down or not, because I didn't use it that many times, and I'm pretty sure a battery will last longer than that. But I did already change the battery already, and it still have the same problem. So I'm not sure if it's overheating on the top, or it's a defect, or it's just the battery dies down really fast. So that's the bad thing about it. So when you have like a lot of pimple that you want to like go spot from spots, and it really stops you from it, because every time you use it more than twice straight, it will stop you for like every 2-3 minutes until you can use it again. So that's kind of like a bad thing, because you don't have much time and you just like want to go through your whole face with it, and it just keeps stopping you, and it takes like a longer process. So that's the only bad things about this product. But overall, this product really works, and it's just like this little thing you can carry around or traveling around with, because I know that I'm the type of person that breaks out a lot once I travel to a different city or different states, because either my skins are not used to the conditions or anything. So this one, it will be really good for like putting into your makeup bag, your skincare bag when you're traveling. So yeah, I think this sticks really works, but it just depends on what type of pimple that you have. So if you have the one that's growing underneath, that's great, it's gonna cure it within 2 days. But if you have the one that's already breakout, it wouldn't help us much. So it really depends on your situations. But for the price of it, it's only $21. I don't think it's really expensive, because for a product kit can help you care for your pimples, it really works like magic, because no one wants to have acne on their face, right? So for the price of it, I think it's really reasonable, but it really depends on you, and I think it's really worth it. I'll continue using it during my like the time of the month, because I think it's really helpful. So this is the end of the review for this product right here. If you guys like this type of video or find this type of video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel below. Also, you can follow me on social media so I can connect with you guys more. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!